Okay, this is a Korean-made copy of the GLOCK magazine, RWB, and they work well, but the magazine hole on the back side of it here is hard to see the loaded rounds. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a drill bit that's 7/64 and drilling out the holes so you can see through it. And so what you do is just trying to do this one-handed, and that's the way that works. Then once you get it drilled out, you can see the hole there is bigger. You take a file. This is just a little square-looking file, and you go inside of it, and I need a better camera system. Down inside of it, and you take the file and clean up the back of it. That works out real well. And then reassemble it. And this is the difference. The one on the left has the small holes. You can't hardly see that it's loaded through the holes. The camera's not focusing right. Anyway, the small holes on the left, and on the right you can see that I've loaded 12 rounds, and it's a lot better than the left-hand one. Okay, I hope that helps somebody out. Thanks for looking. Thank you.